Here I've got Neffos C5 Plus, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you'll notice network and tethering, network and internet, click on it, and now at the bottom of the list you will have airplane mode. If you would like to apply it, if you would like to activate it, simply click on this switcher, and that's it. Here you will notice plane icon, which means that you are currently in flight mode. If you would like to switch off airplane mode and if you would like to have back your connections, network connections, click over here to switch it off. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate airplane mode through the settings. But you can also open it through the upper bar. Simply open the list of all shortcuts. Here it is. And now locate airplane mode. Tap on it to activate this super mode. And that's it. Now it's active. Then if you'd like to switch it off, click on the same switcher one more time, and now it has been deactivated. So that would be all. This is how you can activate airplane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.